Okay, so my projection for gold for the upcoming trading week session starting from August 5. Okay, so ayun no, makikita naman natin no, very clear yung structure dito ni gold no. Starting from here, nagkaroon ng impulsive move, correction, impulsive move, correction, impulsive move, and then dito nagkaroon ng correction, then another impulsive move no. And right now gold is attempting to break this structural high na yan. Okay, so makikita natin no, from this swing point na to this swing point, so nagkaroon ng pullback. Okay, so very clear yung pullback niya no, and then after that is nagkaroon ng push towards upside no. So probably makitaan muna natin ito ng magkaroon muna ito ng correction dito. Possibly magkaroon dito ng correction si gold. Okay, then after correction na to, next possible move dito na mangyari is towards upside. Okay, so overall bullish ako dito kay gold pa rin. Okay, so any down move na gawin dito ni gold is for a pullback only or a potential correction. Then after that is after completing correction na possible na i-build up dito ni gold, after that is next possible move is towards upside. Okay, so bullish ako kay gold talaga.